Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that you all are doing great. So today we will see how to enable or disable and how to change the theme of the MS Word. So let's get started. First of all, click on this file option, and then in the last click on this. Uh, Scroll little bit down, and here you will find the office theme. Now click on this drop down option, and then from here you can change your MS Word theme. You can change it in dark gray, you can change it in black mode, and then okay, so now your office theme will be changed. Again, clicking on this option, scroll a little bit down, click on this drop down option, select gray, dark gray. Okay, so I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much.